Good morning, children. I hope all of you are well. Children, keep practicing maths and try to solve all the examples and exercise problems of this chapter. Let us solve few more questions. Let us solve few more questions of exercise 11. Question number 26. Let us solve. Here prove that the points A minus 5 4, B minus 1 minus 2 and C 5 2 are the vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle, and we have to find the coordinates of D so that ABCD is a square. So let us see how to solve. Given points A minus 5 4, B minus 1 minus 2 and C 5 2. These are the vertices of a triangle. Now we have to prove that ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. So if ABC is an isosceles triangle, then AB is equal to BC. So let us see here AB is equal to BC or not. So here using distance formula we have AB is equal to root under minus 5 minus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 2, that is 4 plus 2 the whole square. On calculating we are getting it as root under 16 plus 36, that is root 52. In second case for BC also we get minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 the whole square root under plus minus 2 the whole square minus 2 the whole square. Again on calculating we are getting root under 36 plus 16, that is root 52. So here we find that AB is equal to BC. Therefore ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now we see that a value of AC is minus 5 the whole square plus 4 minus 2 the whole square root under using distance formula. So here value of AC we are getting root under 104. Now AC square we have root 104 the whole square, that is 104, and AB square plus BC square is root 52 the whole square plus root 52 the whole square, that is 52 plus 52 is equal to 104. Thus we see that triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle since AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now next we have to prove that we have to find the coordinates of D if ABCD is a square. So let the coordinates of D be xy. Now since ABCD is a square, hence its diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. Therefore midpoints of AD and AC and BD will be same. Now using the coordinates given, we have coordinates of midpoint of AC are minus 5 plus 5 by 2 and 4 plus 2 by 2 applying midpoint formula. Similarly coordinates of midpoint of BD are minus 1 plus x by 2 and minus 2 plus y by 2 applying midpoint formula. Now on comparing them we get minus 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 5 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus x by 2, that is minus 1 plus x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Similarly for y coordinate we have minus 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 4 plus 2, that is 6 by 2. So minus 2 plus y is equal to 6, that means y is equal to 6 plus 2, that is 8. Therefore we have coordinates of D are 1 and 8. This is your answer. Let us solve one more question. Question number 29. So by section formula that the points 3, minus 2, 5, 2 and 8, 8 are collinear. So let A, B, C be the 3 points. Coordinates of A 3 minus 2, that of B 5, 2 and C 8, 8. Now let us suppose that B divides AC in the ratio K is to 1. Now the coordinates of B will then become, applying section formula, 8k plus 3 by k plus 1 x coordinate, and y coordinate 8k minus 2 by k plus 1. But given coordinates of b are 5, 2. So on comparing, we have 8k plus 3 by k plus 1 is equal to 5. That means 8k plus 3 is equal to 5k plus 5. That means 8k minus 5k is equal to 5 minus 3. That means 3k is equal to 2. From that we get k is equal to 2 by 3. Also 8k minus 2 by k plus 1 is equal to 2. Comparing the y coordinate, so 8k minus 2 is equal to 2k plus 2. From this on calculating we get 6k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 by 6 means k is equal to 2 by 3. Now here we find that the value of k is same in both the coordinates, both x and y coordinates. That means a, b and c are collinear as b divides AC in the ratio 2:3. Therefore, we can conclude that ABC are collinear. Now let us solve one last question in today's video. Find the value of P for which the points minus 5, 1, 1P and 4 minus 2 are collinear. It is same as the previous question which we have done, question number 29, but there we have to prove, and here it is already given the points are collinear and we have to find the value of P. Now as the 3 points are collinear, let B divides AC in the ratio k is to 1. So we have coordinates of B as minus 4k minus 5 by k plus 1, 4k minus 5 by k plus 1, and that of y coordinate minus 2k plus 1 by k plus 1, but coordinates of B is given as 1p. Therefore, on comparing we get 4k minus 5 by k plus 1 is equal to 1, 4k minus 5 is k plus 1, 4k minus k is equal to 5 plus 1, 3k 6, k is equal to 6 by 3, that means k is equal to 2. Now putting the value of k in second case, for y coordinate we get minus 2k plus 1 by k plus 1 is equal to p. So putting the value of k we get minus 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to p. Therefore minus 4 plus 1 by 3 is equal to p, that means minus 3 by 3 is equal to p. It means the value of p is 1. This is your answer. Thank you, children. I hope you will complete this chapter. In next video, we will solve the rest of problems. Stay